Smells like barbecue.
Are you having fun, Dallas?
Yes, I'm tired. Oh, God.
Look at all the pretty lights, buddy.
Daddy is I'm jealous because of these people. They have way even better.
Yeah.
Ow. Fire cannon.
Hoping to see that. Oh, look at those pretty Christmas lights there, buddy.
Oh, I see you with the two-headed guy. That's two-headed.
Are you looking for our car?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Why does everybody say that?
Because it's Christmas Eve, buddy. It's a polite thing to say.
I was just about to say that.
Look at all those pretty lights, buddy.
Oh, there we go. Can the train fly?
Can the train fly?
Mm-hmm.
No, the train can't fly, buddy.
You're watching.
Only if it had magic on it. I see it.
Yep.
There. See it right there. Wait, what? Wait, what? What? Where did I get this from? Where what?